Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions useful for all the upcoming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of previous day's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Now let's start. Who is the Pakistan Foreign Minister who admits Masood Azhar is in Pakistan? Shah Mahmood Qureshi, Sheikh Rashid Ahmed, Ali Mahmud Khan or Omar Ayub Khan? The answer is A. Shah Mahmood Qureshi. Pakistan's Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has said that Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar is in Pakistan itself, and he asked India to give solid, inalienable evidence for action to be taken against him. He says that statement in an interview to the CNN channel. Which state is said to become oil exporting hub for the Southeast Asia? Meghalaya, Assam, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. The answer is B. Assam. Assam is slated to soon become one of India's major oil exporting hubs, catering to the eastern neighbors of the country and Southeast Asia. Assam to soon send petrol and diesel to Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar and Southeast Asian countries. Ayushman Bharat is extended to which of the following cab drivers? Ola, Uber, Dot Cabs, both A and B. The answer is B. Uber. Central government schemes are very important from exam point of view. Ayushman Bharat was launched by Prime Minister Modi on 23rd of September 2018. Ayushman Bharat, also known as Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana or Modi Care, has joined hands with Uber to extend health cover to their driver and delivery partners. The facility will not be available in these three states, Delhi, Odisha and Telangana, as these three states have not joined under Ayushman Bharat or Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Aravalli Hills extends in which of the following states? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi, all of the above. Answer is E, all of the above. Previously asked, very important. Recently, Supreme Court threatened the Haryana government with contempt if it goes ahead and implements a new law which allows massive scale of construction in Aravalli Hills. Aravalli range is the oldest mountain range in India. This question was also previously asked. And the highest peak in Aravalli range is Guru Shikhar. According to 20th December 2018 central government notification allows how many central agencies to monitor computers? 5 central agencies, 6, 7 or 10? The answer is D. 10 central agencies. According to 20th December 2018 central government notification allows 10 central agencies to monitor computers. Recently, a PIL, public interest litigation, has been filed by an advocate ML Sharma challenging the December 20th notification as a violation of the fundamental right to privacy. The Centre, in response to this bill, replies to the Supreme Court that its notification allowing 10 central agencies to snoop on people is in fact a measure to protect citizens' privacy. So remember, Section 69 of the IT Act 2000 gives the government power to intercept, monitor or decrypt any information through any computer resource. Remember the section number along with the IT Act year, very important, direct questions can appear. Jamaat-e-Islami is the main organization responsible for the propagation of separatists in which state? Jammu and Kashmir, Gujarat, Punjab or Rajasthan? The answer is A, Jammu and Kashmir. Jamaat-e-Islami is the main organization responsible for the propagation of separatist and radical ideology in the Kashmir Valley, the official says, and the Home Ministry has recently banned Jammu and Kashmir based group Jamaat-e-Islami as an unlawful association under Section 3 of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act of 1967. Rail coach factory target to manufacture 1422 Linke Hofmann Busch coaches in 2018 to 19 will be completed by March 31st, 2019, April 31st, 2019, May 31st or June 31st. The answer is A, March 31st, 2019. The Railway Minister Piyush Goyal said that the rail coach factory is targeting to manufacture 1422 Linke Hofmann Busch coaches in 2018 to 19. As of now, 1290 coaches have already been manufactured, and for the remaining coaches to be manufactured, the target will be reached by March 31st, 2019. Linke Hofmann Busch coaches are passenger coaches of Indian Railways that have been developed by Linke Hofmann Busch of Germany and mostly produced by Rail Coach Factory, which is in Kapurthala city in Punjab. Hampi Utsav is organized by which of the following state? Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala. Answer is C, Karnataka. Hampi Utsav kickstarts from 2nd to 3rd of March 2019. Hampi Festival, also known as Vijay Utsav, is one of the most marvelous festivals in Karnataka. It is a cultural extravaganza which is being celebrated since the times of Vijayanagara reign. Hampi is designated as the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Question for the day. World Wildlife Day is celebrated every year on March 1st, March 2nd, March 3rd or March 4th. Mention your answers in the comment section. Very important day. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. I made a small change in today's previous day's question, so just have a look at it. Which country's foreign minister skips the OIC meeting being held in Abu Dhabi? India, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia or UAE? The answer is the same, B, Pakistan, as rightly answered by Ashok Nath Banod, Kabatullah SK, Shaurya Garg and Malish Myakala. Thank you all guys for taking your time and replying the answers. Today 46th session of Organization of Islamic Cooperation Council of Foreign Ministers being held in Abu Dhabi, and Pakistan's Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi skips OIC meet in Abu Dhabi after UAE refuses to drop invite to India. We all know for the first time India has been invited to the OIC as the guest of honor, and in reply to this, Pakistan Foreign Minister skips the meeting. But however, the lower level officials attend the OIC meeting, so Pakistan did not boycott the meet completely. Let's see the quote for the day. Great things never come from comfort zones. So try to step out of your comfort zones to achieve greater things in your life. This is it for today. Have a happy weekend and see you on Monday. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.